Good afternoon, school. Welcome to our Week 5 assembly. I'll hand you over to Israel for our school karakia.
Toru wha. Whakataka te hau ki te ru, whakataka te hau ki te taonga. Kia mā kina kina ki uta, kia mā taratara ki tai. E hia ke ana te atukura, te tio, he huka, he hauhu, ti hei mauri ora.
Hiya, thanks Izzy, and kia ora everyone. Welcome to Tamatea Intermediate School's Week 5 Assembly. And I've got a few guests with me today who will be saying hi a little bit later on. Great job last week with the online learning. Lots of cool stuff coming through over Seesaw. And thank you to everyone who filled out the survey to let us know how we can help you with your learning. Now, this afternoon at 4 o'clock, we are going to have an announcement from our Prime Minister. And our Prime Minister is going to let us know whether we're going into level 2 or not. If we go into level 2, that's some good news for us here at school, because it means you can all come back. So that's super exciting. So as you can see, I'm in at school at the moment, but there aren't any children here with me, and it's a very lonely place to be without you guys around. So after the announcement this afternoon, I'll be in touch with your families and with you, and I'll let you know a little bit about what the plan is for coming back to school. At the earliest, we'll be returning to school next Monday, so that's a week from today. And there'll be a few things that look a little different for us at school. So that's why I need to get in touch with you first and just let you know what we're going to do differently at school to make sure that everybody is safe. So, online learning for the rest of this week. Keep up your great work. Your teachers are loving what you're doing. And yeah, we will hopefully see you next Monday.
We are truly sorry to all of you who have had their birthdays in isolation. This slide is to notice all the people who have had their birthdays in isolation. It will show their name, their class, and their birthday. Happy birthday, Liam Whiting Taylor from room 10.
Happy birthday, Shantae Kahi from room 12.
Happy birthday, Oakley Wilson from room 9.
Happy birthday, Presley Keith from room 10.
Happy birthday, Jackson Morley from Mori Whenua.
Happy birthday, Hannah Renata from room 6.
Happy birthday, Moana Nicholson Cole from Mori Whenua.
Happy birthday to Justine Mataira Pickering from room 6.
Happy birthday, Dina Tita from Mori Whenua.
Happy birthday, Jade McKinley from room 12.
Happy birthday, Cleo Nipia, room 13.
Happy birthday, Summer Lee Ogden from Mori Whenua.
Happy birthday, Isaiah Forster Ihai from Mori Whenua.
Happy birthday, Hinimutu Kara from room 6.
Happy birthday, Maddie Parsons, room 8. Room Mori Whenua.
Happy birthday, Kaya Fitzgerald Bell from SHC Mori Whenua.
Happy birthday, Emily Lloyd from room 9.
Good luck to all of you who are yet to have their birthdays. Hopefully they aren't in isolation, but if it is, then good luck to you. Thank you from Cadence and Zach.
Thanks, Cadence and Zach, and thanks also to Kayata and Tom who jumped in and helped you out with that. Well done, everyone. And have a great day, anyone who's got a birthday coming up. And Taya, you've been very busy while we've been in isolation, haven't you? Doing a great piece of writing that I've seen on our school Facebook page. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, so I was looking for any potential writing competitions I could enter in, and I came across this one that caught my eye. And it is by Kiwi Kids News, a website that we sometimes use for our school. and so I entered in it, and they sent out an email that said I had got into the final, and I'm currently in 3rd place. And if you go onto the school website or Facebook page, you can find a link to vote.
Cool. So this is a bit of a shout out to our school community. If you can, jump onto Kiwi Kids News or our school Facebook page, which has the link to vote for Taya and her story, because she's currently in 3rd place. When does voting close, Taya?
Well, voting closes on Wednesday, and you can vote once per day.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Hopefully we'll get our community in behind that and get some votes up for you. And next up, and finally for our assembly today, we have Jaden here. Now, Jaden and Liliani, if you remember back to last week, put out a call for a competition for the name challenge, and they put out a challenge for you all to get a bit active. Jaden, how did we get on?
Good. We got lots of videos. We narrowed it down to 2 people. The top 2 people were Shyla and Ava. And then we had a vote off, and this is the winner.
Great. So this video is Ava. See you later, everyone.